This has created, the chief minister recently said that how the floods that were faced by both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, that kind of situation should not be repeated. And also the experts have said that, we are going that 10,000 odd dwellings and commercial structures that came up along the Musi River in Hyderabad, someone should do something about it. But do you think in your communication, sir, I'm not talking about the wealthy and the rich and the privileged like Akkineni Nagarjuna Garu. He is rich, he also is educated. But poor people who are scared, don't you think your government should communicate better, sir?
जी नमस्कार।
Namaste.
आपको जानकर खुशी होगी कि सरकार ने बहुत ही क्लियर विजन दिया है। ये कह दिया है कि जब तक अल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट नहीं होगा उस वक्त तक किसी से भी वहां शिफ्ट होने की गुजारिश नहीं की जाएगी, वहां से हटने के लिए कोई बात नहीं कही जाएगी। और ये भी डिसाइड किया गया है कि अल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट देने के बावजूद अगर कोई नहीं हटता है तो उनको जबरदस्ती नहीं हटाया जाएगा, उनको कन्विंस किया जाएगा, उनको बताया जाएगा कि जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर है वो भी जहरीला हो रहा है और अंडरग्राउंड वाटर बढ़ नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि वाटर जो है समंदर में चला जा रहा है। जब मूसी रिवर को इम्प्रूव किया जाएगा और इस बात की कोशिश की जाएगी कि मूसी रिवर का जो पानी है वो पीने के लायक बन जाया जाए। अब गवर्नमेंट कंटिन्यूअसली इवन साइकोटिस्ट जो हैं उनकी भी सेवा ले रही है ताकि लोग परेशान ना हो। और 90% लोग जो मूसी रिवर के आसपास में रहते हैं या अंदर में रहते हैं उसके वो कन्विंस हो चुके हैं, उन्होंने अपनी रजामंदी दे दी है शिफ्ट होने के लिए। अब जो 10% लोग हैं उनका ये एतराज है कि हमारे पास 2 बेडरूम के लिए जो जगह दी जा रही वो हमको बस नहीं होगी, हमारी जॉइंट फैमिली है तो उनकी जॉइंट फैमिली की जरूरियात को भी पूरा किया जाएगा, स्कूल्स को भी खरीद में शिफ्ट किया
सूफी
जाएगा।
साहब, आप ये
कुछ
आर यू सेइंग, मैं माफ़ी चाहती हूँ, मैं आपको टोक रही हूँ,
जी
लेकिन
जी जी
सूफी साहब
जी
ये
बोलिए।
आप कह रहे हैं कि अभी जो है डेमोलिशन बिल्कुल आप रोक रहे हैं, इस पे रोक लगा रहे हैं, ख़त्म हो गया है?
देखिए जहां जहां पर क्लियर कट डिविएशंस है और जहां जहां एफटीएल का मामला है वहां पर ऐसी बिल्डिंगों को जरूर गिराया जा रहा है जिसमें कोई नहीं है, जिसमें इनमेट्स हैं वो बिल्डिंग्स को नहीं गिराया जाएगा, नहीं गिराया जा रहा है। और जब तक के वो लोग खुद अपने बिल्डिंग्स को पेश करें कि हाँ आप गिरा दीजिए तब तक सरकार नहीं गिराएगी।
The
ये
court
चीफ
has,
मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस।
Sufi
जी
Saab, the court has come very strongly, on you and said, will you remove even iconic structures like the Charminar just because you found that it is on the buffer zone? Let me come back to you. Ravula Sridhar Reddy Garu, welcome to the debate. Mr. Reddy, I want to ask you that, this, why does anyone, it's not just you, but any party, why should you politicize Buchama's death? What proof do you have that the woman who's died now, you know, to say that, oh, she died because they had gone there? Apparently, no one went there. It's quite possible. I'm also an old woman. Someone scares me and I do something out of panic. But why politicize this issue, sir? I just don't understand. You can criticize Hydra, but why politicize it over the death of an old woman? Reddy Garu.
See, here the question is not whether you are politicizing it or not. Who has created this panic situation? It is not me who has questioned the government today. It is the Honorable High Court has questioned. What is your intention? Do you want to terrorize people? Do you want to create panic? BRS party, as a party which run 10 years of government, was never against the development, whether it is Musi riverfront development or if the government takes a cause to protect the lakes or government lands, we are not against it. But for everything there is a process. If the government identifies an asset which is encroached by any private party or some construction was done illegally or with wrongful means, they would have 100% taken the action. But this is not the way. If the government wants to develop Musi riverfront, in 3 days you complete the survey. In 3 days you want everybody to be relocated from the places where they are living for 30 years, and you say you have to shift to. I mean, these are
Your
lives.
government, Mr. Reddy, didn't your government also promise 2-bedroom houses? Did that happen?
I am not for
It
any
didn't.
government.
It did
Even
not
I am
happen.
not.
Okay, I also
Exactly.
want to talk, Mr. Reddy, I have to give equal time to both. I also want to bring to your notice the larger question, Mr. Reddy. This Musi River encroachment is not a new phenomena. You talk to experts, urban planners, they are fed up. They say what Hyderabad was, and that's the city I was born in. The city which was
Agreed.
known for lakes, which was known for
Totally agree.
beautiful. What has
We are
happened
not
to it,
against.
sir? What has happened to it? What has
Let
happened
me-
to it? You know, the thing
let
is
me-
that, well, and what is the way out, sir? You say that you take your time. The thing is that, you know, somewhere someone has to start, no?
Somewhere someone has to start. Agreed. BRS party is not against Musi riverfront development, but when you want to relocate the people, initially you would have actually had conversation with them, had discussions with them. You would have given enough time to rather convince
Yeah,
them.
that's a good point. That's a very
Given
valid
them
point. सूफी
some,
साहब बहुत अच्छा
awareness.
बोल रहे हैं रेड्डी गारू, वो कह
उसके
रहे हैं
बाद कुछ करेंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
आप पहले क्यों नहीं आपने बात की लोगों से, ये क्यों नहीं आगाह किया उनको कि देखिए आपके घर जो हैं वो एफटीएल या बफर जोन में मौजूद हैं, इसकी वजह से हम इन्हें हटाएंगे. बाद में हाय तौबा मच रही है, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि आपकी सरकार को पहले से कुछ करना चाहिए था. आपको नहीं लगता आप लेट हो गए? आपको नहीं लगता आप लेट हो गए?
नहीं नहीं, ये इल्जाम बिल्कुल गलत है. सबको इन्फॉर्म किया गया और जिन जिन लोगों ने वॉलंटियरली जो है ऑफर किया उनको गिराया गया, और जो जहां पर इनमेट्स नहीं थे वहां गिराया गया. हद तो ये हो गई कि मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के एक एमएलए की 5 मंजिला इमारत को भी गिराया गया. उन्होंने कोई एतराज नहीं किया, कोई हंगामा नहीं किया. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जबरदस्ती गिराया जा रहा है. इंफॉर्मेशन
फातिमा
दिया गया
बीबी नहीं, उन्होंने एक कॉलेज के बारे में उन्होंने पहले कहा था कि अगर हिम्मत है तो आप गिरा के देखिए. अब मैं वो मसला यहाँ लाना नहीं चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज ये पूरा डिबेट उस तरफ चला जाएगा कि मेरा या तेरा. पर बात यह है सूफी साहब कि आपकी पार्टी आज जो है बीआरएस पर यह तहमत लगाती है कि आप लोग बिल्डर्स के साथ मिले जुले हैं, इसलिए आप ये नहीं चाहते. गलत है ये. आपको नहीं लगता गलत है? वो पॉलिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं तो आप भी पीछे नहीं हैं. आप सरकार में काबिज हैं, आपका हक बनता है कि आप लोगों को आगाह करें. सूफी साहब,
आगाह करने के बाद ही किया गया है, ये गलत इल्जाम है. कोई इस तरह का काम आगाह किए बगैर नहीं किया जाता.
चलिए मिस्टर
आगाह किया
रेड्डी,
गया.
मिस्टर रेड्डी, I mean,
आगाह करने के
I'm
बाद ही
running
किया
out of
गया.
time. Yeah, when he says the information has gone. Now the point is, you are actually sounding also like the BJP. You know, at one point we know how Mr. KCR Garu was totally against the party, but today BJP is saying draconian, you are saying draconian. It's saying anti-poor, you are saying anti-poor. You're also
BJP, Sudhaji, BJP, each leader is saying a different version in their party. Their MP Raghunandan Rao speaks one language,
Bandi.
their party floor leader speaks one language, their
Yetala.
vision language. So in BJP there are different versions in it. As a political party, from the day one we are saying opposition, principal opposition of Telangana state. We are only demanding one thing: you can do whatever you want, which is legible, but there is a way to adapt for it and ensure that.
So
there is
quickly
no-
tell me, Reddy Garu, what did they do wrong? What did Revant Garu and his government do wrong?
Especially in the case of Hydra, initially we thought they will be only removing the encroachments which are there in the FTL and buffer zone, but there are many establishments of the rich people, rich builders. They have not gone to that area. Initially they have done one or two demolitions of that sort. After that they are going behind the common people.
What are you
I'm
saying,
trying
sir?
to say-
Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, Madhapura, even his brother, Revant Reddy's brother, he said, yeah, come. You know, he's got a flat there. You said, oh, why not?
They got
But
to stay on it. They got to stay on it. There are many establishments. I am demanding, irrespective of the political parties. First, charity starts from home. Not home, matlab, not Revant Reddy's home. Any leader for that matter. There are many leaders who owns farmhouses, establishments, houses in the lake beds. Why are you not going behind them? Be ideal towards it. You can later see if a person would have bought a flat from a builder who has built in lake, took a loan from
All right,
SBI.
okay.